you want to come say hi, guys, for me?
Hi, guys.
Wow! Olivia and I had all these plans, and then...
Of course, they never...
And then... Okay, so... This is our take on Playboy that we're going to do. How do you even do this?
Frozen.
Wait, this thing
That was really anticlimactic.
Wait,
It's frozen.
Wait, where do you get this?
Car. You can get it like Joann's.
How much was it?
A hefty buck.
Was it a hefty buck?
A hefty buck.
What's a hefty buck?
It was my investment during the quarantine.
Everyone go buy bootleg sweatshirts from Olivia. Saint Laurent who? Gucci. We can do it all. Okay, wait. Where's the sweatshirt that I want to put it on?
Shit is frozen.
Wait, did you see that sweatshirt that I had? Oh, I think I brought it downstairs.
Which one?
The champion sweatshirt.
Okay.
Yeah, I really want that. Oh, here it is. I'm also going on a trip. You probably can't see what I'm packing in here. Going on a trip with Emma. I feel like I'm trying to make it a surprise, but like no one actually gives a fuck. But I guess I'll just tell you, Emma and I are going to Aspen. I'm flying out the day after Christmas, but I'm gonna go spend Christmas night at Emma's, and then we're gonna fly out early the next morning. Okay. Okay, cricket me. Okay, so we as in her
Crying. Tears are coming down my
forgot
eyes.
something, so we're gonna have to go to Michael's. And
Imperative that Paige get this sweatshirt before I leave, because I never know what gift to get her because she's so
this is my Christmas gift.
freaking
Apparently I'm hard to shop for.
stubborn.
I'm not stubborn.
Stubborn and picky, and you have everything.
Okay, well that's nice, kind of. I don't know if you're complimenting me or not, but I'll take it as a compliment. How cute are these leggings and top from Gymshark?
Or something, but mom did it because she's... You're making me want to go buy a pair now.
Okay.
They look really good.
Yeah, you need a pair.
I know, I think I do now. It's like, ew, I don't do leggings.
Okay, Michael's. Michael's is my favorite place to go anyways. Wait, kind of fire. Okay. Off we go. My mom decided to paint the kitchen area, and it looks good. She's a little bit worried about it, that it's too white, but I think it looks great. If you're watching this, Mom, I think it looks great. That took us way too long to learn.
Don't rap me. That wasn't us.
Okay. Oh. And my mom has my car, so
I'm locked in.
okay, well, we're just gonna wait for her to get back because she should be back soon. Speak of the devil. Hi.
Hey.
Wait, what?
I said, you wonder why we fought the entire key watcher, because I was a 180-pound dinosaur.
I was looking slim thick too.
I've never been so more uncomfortable on a person.
Honestly, same. Okay, so my mom needs to go to Michael's too, apparently, so we will bring Nance with us. What a treat. Okay. What'd you get?
Of course Olivia brings
Of course Olivia brings everything in. You're just such a giver. Okay. Okay. Oh. Where do I even put this? Every car has such a different dashboard. Okay.
Wait, I don't want to say that wrong.
Find out from your friend why Paige Lorenz and her pro hockey boyfriend broke up. Who said that?
Chloe, the girl that sent the TikTok yesterday.
I'll tell you why. Those boys are for the fucking streets. Just say, take a wild guess at what happened. Just take a wild guess at what an athlete did.
Jesus Christ, getting in this back is like fucking act of God.
Mom, do you feel youthful sitting in the back? Yeah, right.
There's no escape. I can't wait.
It's 2 beak birds.
On a mission. I literally cannot go to Michael's without fucking buying 100 knickknacks. Aw, you're so cute, Mom.
What?
Holiday fucking cheer, bitch. This looks like the 2 turkey legs. Mom, can I have the hat? No. Fuck you. This is kind of unsettling. Don't you think?
It's like super skinny.
I wish my hands were that skinny. Where's my mother? Come on, Drip God. I used to love this candy. It's literally so fucking disgusting. Gross. Do you remember when I used to eat this?
I don't. That's disgusting. There's like nothing. Just not even. No. Put that back. Out. No.
Okay. Whoa. That's so cool. Okay, while that is drying, we're gonna start cooking dinner. Let's try it, because I just know that you're gonna fucking drop me on my fucking ass. Pause and go. I can't. I really can't.
Yes, you have to do it.
Okay, this is what we're gonna be making for dinner. Olivia's going to make the couscous. I've made this before in my story, but I thought I'd show you guys how I make that. It's really good. And then I'm gonna make chicken. I will season this first, and then I'll put it on this, and I put ghee. Ghee is basically clarified butter, and you can cook food at a way higher temperature. So I crisp the chicken first, and then I'll put it in the oven. But this isn't big enough, so I'll have to put it on something else. Yeah, I'm using a McDonald's extra large cup as a tripod. It's very on brand in the Lauren's household. Whose household? What? Did you just forget my last name?
I was like,
Lauren's household. I was like, who's Lauren?
Okay, so I just put salt, pepper, and then garlic powder all over the chicken.
She lived here for a while now.
no, they are used to. I used to
What I
make
think?
steaks all the time.
You always used to make fun of the McDonald's cups.
I was ruthless to
Just
the
get washed.
McDonald's cups.
And you can use them for everything.
They are
They're amazing.
really a multi-purpose.
I use
the lining.
Thank you.
I ordered
Wow.
coming before New Year's.
Yeah, so it's a really normal, easy seasoning.
My parents will
Just
love
garlic
that.
powder, salt,
I haven't
pepper.
come to you because you're there.
I'll let it be.
I go a
surprise
lot of
today.
garlic powder.
Heard on like a couple different recipes, people using that everything bagel toppings.
Oh, I use it
Oh
on
yeah, the
everything.
Trader Joe's stuff.
Trader
Did you
Joe's?
have any?
No, I was thinking I gotta.
We should get some, yeah.
I use it on absolutely everything.
Okay, this is the ghee that I use.
He's about to
I don't refrigerate it, and then this is what it looks like. It just kind of looks like weird butter a little bit. That's how much I put in, and then I let it melt, and I let it get really hot. I add this much garlic, and I'll do a few of these. If you didn't know this, rosemary actually has oil in it, and when you heat it up, it comes out, so there will be oils from the garlic and from this, so I kind of like to do that. Because chicken is not my favorite. I mean, if it's done well, it's good, but I feel like it has to have a lot of flavors and be crispy in order for me to really like it. This is the most perfect icing I've ever seen.
Oh,
You're also a perfectionist, so I'm really not surprised at all. Wow, this looks so much better than when I did it. So what I do is I'll put the chicken face down with the skin, because this is what's gonna get crispy, and then do not touch it. So you put it down. And leave it. You really want to leave it. You can turn down the heat a little bit. And then if you leave it for about 12 minutes, it'll get really crispy, and then you flip it for a few minutes, and then I'll transfer it into these, and then we'll put them in the oven. I have the oven at 400. Also, you can baste it, so the oil. So you take a spoon and you can kind of put the oil on top of it so it can all kind of cook and get the flavors going. Okay, so these look crispy enough now, so I'll just flip them like this. And then I let that sit for a little bit. And then I'll do this to all of them and put them all in here. So the water is on now for the couscous. I season the couscous with this. This is my favorite. It's kosher. My friend in New York showed this to me. It's a really, really good vegan kosher chicken broth. So I'll put that in, and then I'll put 2 things of couscous in it, and I will cook that, and then I'll put it in the salad, and then I'll put it in the fridge for a little bit so it gets cold, because it's supposed to be a cold salad. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm gonna put some parsley in the salad. I just kind of take it off and put it in with my fingers. I also like to put basil in the salad too. And then I take 1 lemon usually. I might do 2 for this, and then just cut it and squeeze it in. Okay, so I'll put this couscous that I just made in the salad. Add this. So sometimes to add a little bit extra, I use this dressing. It's my favorite. I use it to season vegetables in the summer when I grill. I can put it on pretty much anything. It's a really, really basic vinaigrette with a lot of like good seasonings in it. It's kind of tart, which I like, and which is good for the salad. So I'm gonna mix this, and then I'm gonna add the lemon juice and all of the spices. So I'm just gonna add some olive oil to it, and then I'm just gonna mix this. So what I do when I put lemon in anything, I'll cut it in half, and I'll go like this, and the lemon juice will fall through your fingers, and you'll get seeds in your hand. That's just like a little trick. Another reason why I really like this salad is because it's healthy and it has a lot of flavor, but also you can put it in the fridge and it lasts up to a week. So since it's a cold salad, it's just really easy to eat on the go. So when you make a big batch of it, it lasts a while. Yeah, you can also put feta in this if you want, but I don't love putting cheese in it because it tastes good without it, and if I don't have to add cheese, then I won't. I'm gonna check on the chicken. Okay, these are the last 3 chicken. These ones are already done. They just have to go in the oven. Another thing I like to do while this is cooking is I'll take these and kind of use them as a brush and put them all over these. Okay, so I'll put the oil kind of on the bottom of these. So I'll just kind of put this oil over it so it can kind of still baste and cook. And then, so the oven's on 400, and I will just put these in the oven for probably like 15 minutes-ish, maybe 12. So this is the chicken out of the oven. It's really, really easy. I feel like I made it longer, and it took longer because I was filming, but it's so easy and good. And then this is the salad. Wait, it looks really good.
Oh, thanks.
I mean, should we make matching ones? For sure. Don't sue me, Playboy. I'll just open it. What do you think? It's actually really good. Actually, like, you're surprised.
I am surprised. She never cooks for me.
Hey, but I cook in general a lot. Okay, guys. Please fucking watch this for a second. This is Olivia and I in Vermont.
9 years ago.
That's Olivia, that is not 9 years ago.
That is 9 years ago. We knew each other before that.
That's when I looked like 9 years ago. Oh, hey. We were really bad. I feel like we thought we were good. This is like the original TikTok. When your dad takes the breakup harder than you.
Why? Why? Shit happens, dude.
Nice Maple Leaf swag.
consultation with his knee. Yeah, yeah.
Technically not on the Maple Leafs.
You should do this guy.
Okay, Chi. So we can be Maple. You can all be Maple Leafs fans now that he got traded.
I was home. Yeah.
Baloo eats too. Hi. I know. I know, it's so exciting. Sit. Sit. Wait. Stay. Baloo. 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 Okay. Oh, is there anywhere in the suburbs to get like warm cake at 10:40 at night?
Someone let me know. I need it.
Someone let me know. Wait, is that waffle place open? In Fairfield? That's so far.
In Fairfield?
You guys will drop me off at home.
Wait, but you have your car here, but what are they gonna mean? Is it? I want like cake. What are you making?
100-calorie brownies.
This is skinny behavior. I'm gonna sit here and mix this and pretend like I did any. Maybe I'm really helpful. It's like shit. Yum. This looks really
We should just
good.
make the cookie bar. It turned out horribly.
Okay, worst comes to worst, there's like these chocolate lava cake things we have that are like really easy to make. I mean, this definitely looks a little suspect, but I'm not mad.
I'm mad.
What the fuck even is this?
Yeah, so that one.
Okay. I have faith. I'm not mad about that. People are gonna think you have COVID because you've been coughing this entire video. You just got bronchitis. Okay, this might be really weird, but I put milk on my cake. Do you do that, Olivia? Yeah, I don't know why I'm like this. It's pretty good, Olivia. I'm gonna play a game where I can see how much I can overline my lips. Like clown shit. Just like fully in the back. Blue, don't do that. Hey! Hey, sweetie Bo Beatty. You're just the sweetest thing. Ew, you're kind of stinky though.
My camera died because I am a stupid bitch, always up to stupid bitch behavior. But thank you both for watching me, I love you so much. Subscribe to my Patreon if you want to see more of me. I am a loser, but you should subscribe. And if you offer me $4,000, I will send foot pics. Bye.